In this video, I will show you how to fix the mobile view on Shopify. First, log in to your Shopify dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click Online Store, then select Themes. Find your active theme and click Customize to open the theme editor. Once you're inside the editor, click the mobile device icon at the top of the screen to switch from desktop view to mobile view. This allows you to preview how your store appears on smartphones. Next, select the section you want to adjust. For example, if you're editing an image with text section, click on that section from the left panel. Depending on the section, you'll see mobile-specific settings such as content alignment, image placement, spacing, and layout options. Make any changes you need to improve the mobile appearance. For example, you can change the mobile content alignment, adjust spacing, or modify the layout to make the content easier to view on smaller screens. Keep in mind that many settings can be customized separately for mobile and desktop views. This means changes made to the mobile layout may not affect how the section appears on desktop. Once you're happy with the mobile view, click Save in the top right corner to apply your changes. That's it. You've successfully fixed and customized the mobile view of your Shopify store. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.